Hey, we're here sa Manila Domestic Airport and we're leaving for Boracay. With me is Mokoy Lobo and my cousin si Papado. Tsaka si Ayan, this is me. Bye-bye.
Okay lang na ito sa
Oo nga eh. Umabol eh. Yeah. So, saan tayo? So, we have to pass through another security right after yung sa pag-check ng e-ticket. So, we have to remove yung anything metal sa katawan. Yeah, you're all set. Okay. So right after security check, we're off to check-in. Madali lang naman. Dito sa domestic, you're not gonna need any passports, right? Ano masasabi mo, Popoy, ba? Yeah. This is Popoy, by the way. Cousin siya nila Kitty. Kitty's my cousin. And there you go. Huh? Time to check in at Zest Air. Zest Air, ang eroplanong bumubula. Tayo lang yata alis eh. Ha?
Wala kang liquid.
Wala. Okay na yan.
Toothpaste pa, kailangan mag-check-in para...
Basta maliit lang, pero...
Oo nga. Ayaw nga pala, no? Kailangan kasama sa buko.
Ano sabi? Sabi Popoy?
Bukuha tayo ng boarding pass.
Oo, kailangan mag-check-in talaga. Sit na. Si Popoy, by the way, is from San Francisco.
Buti na lang,
Yeah.
na lang kasama.
Nasampal pa si Popoy eh. Suntok. Ano na-expect mo sa Boracay?
beach.
Beach? B-I-T-C-H? Ano daw makikita niya sa Boracay? Beach daw. Ano? So, check-in kami ngayon and tingnan natin kung makakuha tayo ng front seat. Pag na doon tayo sa rear.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sabi ng pilot.
Hindi. Ay, anong aircraft natin? Propeller, di ba? MA-60 ang ano natin. So, it's either you sit in front or sit at the back. Kasi if you sit sa gitna, wala kang makikita.
Dining bag on board po. Pwede po kayo magpastay po ng dalawang
Okay. So, thank you. Yan si Monarch. Hanapin mo siya sa Zest Air. Sa YouTube, nakikita mo yan. Bye-bye. Okay, so we're all set. And, ano tayo?
Nasa boarding pass.
Alin? Dun. Just follow the arrows now.
May smoking area dito.
Popoy is looking for a smoking area. B-I.
Ito may waiting area.
Yun yung waiting area. That's
Yung
where
waiting
you
area.
wait forever. Terminal fee. Alin?
Mayroon pala dito.
Ha?
Mayroon.
Where? Oh, okay. Sige, go start praying.
This is the waiting area.
Oh.
Mass is currently in progress.
Sabi it's different though compared sa San Francisco airport. I don't think you can do pictures there or videos. Diba? No, you haven't tried it yet. Oh, anyway. So here, intay kami sa... Yun yung old domestic airport.
We're waiting for mass.
Yeah, for what? So, this is the waiting area. Yun lang. For the entire domestic airport. Ito yun. Lahat. So, that's the view sa likod.
That's the prayer room.
Yeah. Pag pumikit yan, magsasnore. Okay, so dito lang. And then, right in front, yun na yung mga gates. Right? Yun. Gates. Oh boy, he's hungry. Yan, kumain sa bahay. No? Hindi tayo sa ano kumain. May mga ano, yung nasa taas lang. So, para sa jeep, sa LRT. Sa loob ng aeroplano. Okay, anyway, so we're boarding and yun, hinihintay lang namin na maubos yung line tapos kami na kasi we'll be taking pictures. Yun. Tara, let's go. Wala, tayo lang yata pasahero. Ayun. Parang kukunti lang yata kami today. Tayo lang namin pasahero, sabi ni Kate. Where's our plane? By the way, our aircraft is made in China. Ha? Okay, carry lang. Lakad-lakad. Ay, nag-picture tayo. Hey, picture na tayo. Right. Ayun. So, yun yung plane natin. Ayun, bumariking. Tara, dito tayo. Ayan, dito tayo. Okay, so yan yung plane natin. And, good. So hopefully we have a safe flight. Best Air. Ang aeroplanong bumubula. Speller. Pwede kaya ito mag-blower ng buhok dito. Pwede mag-blower ng buhok. Ayan. Kuya, ayan. So watch your step. Papoy. Knock before you enter. Thank you. So knock muna tayo. Yeah, for good luck. Oh, there you go. Wash your head. Hello there. Hi. Video ko. Alright, so yan yung seat nila. The back is a window. Yeah. So we're seated all the way up front. One and four. Sa 5 is an exit row seat. Medyo mas malaki ang leg room. Yeah. Hello. Yung laptop daw ni Kitty.
Yo, wala.
Yeah. Whoops! Saan nadamay pa? Yay. 1D ako.
1D po.
D? Delta. There. Medyo narrow lang yung seat.
First class.
First class. Man, this is narrow. Okay yung seat. Yung leg room ah. So we're seated here all the way up front. And look at our leg room. Tingnan mo to.
Wala tama yung view.
Ha? Yung view mo saan? Turo mo nga. Oing. Wait, Tony, look. Aray. I just hit my leg. Tony, dito. Isa pa. Take 2. That's Kitty over there and Papa Dog.